The Special Elections 2024 successfully concluded on Friday, April 26, proclaiming psychology major Cody Nicole Cabacang with a total vote counts of 561 as the Letran Student Council President for academic year 2024 to 2025, besting her contender, Jofe Maisel Castillon, who earned a total of 342 votes. The Letran Psychology Society students were present in the said event as two of their organization's leaders faced head on the result of the special elections, both with the promise of empowering the Letranites' voices and involvement in the Colegio. This year's outgoing Letran Student Council President also showed her support to the candidates and expressed her gratitude following the end of her presidential term.
I'm Jofe Maisel Castillon. I am a third-year psychology student and I'm the incumbent president of the Letran Psychology Society. Palagi ko namang sinasabi na sobrang unexpected nung nomination ko nung first nomination natin, given yung failure ng elections. Pero nagkaroon na lang din ako ng realization na naging maganda naman yung implication siguro nito when it comes sa leadership ko as a student leader. Kasi maaaring ini-imply nga nito na isa ako sa mga individual na may potential na i-lead ang Letran Student Council na mangangalaga sa interest at concerns ng entire student body sa kolehiyo natin. Kaya nagpapasalamat pa rin ako sa nomination na to kasi dito ko naramdaman yung appreciation, especially ng mga RSO presidents or CPAG presidents when it comes sa aking leadership. Sa visions ko sa ating entire student body, of course, sana mas masustain pa natin yung mga magagandang inisyatibo at proyekto na sinimula ng nakaraang term ng Letran Student Council. Pero with regards dun sa mga sa tingin natin ay aspeto na kung saan mas kailangan pa nating solusyonan o i-improve, sana mas mabigyan pa to ng pansin, katulad ng mas malakas na o mas maingay na student representation, lalong-lalo na may mga part tayo ng colleges kung saan nakukulangan ng representation ng mga estudyante, which is malaking threat sa kanilang sa pagkilala sa kanilang mga interests at concerns. Kaya sana mas mapalawig pa natin yung representation ng iba't ibang mga estudyante natin sa kolehiyo. At naniniwala naman ako na yung incumbent president ng Letran Student Council ay magagawa ang mga ganitong klaseng aspirations para sa student body. Sa kasalukuyan, honestly, hindi ko pa alam kung papaano ko may implement yung mga ganitang klaseng plataforma. Pero naniniwala naman ako na bilang isang estudyante, kahit hindi bilang isang leader, meron akong kakayahan at boses para i-amplify yung sarili kong advocacy. At nandito naman yung Letran Student Council at ibang mga student representation or organizations na handang makinig sa mga advokasya ng mga estudyanteng katulad ko para mas ma-extend pa yung mga ganitong klaseng advocacy at mapalawig pa yung goal or yung objective sa pag-i-implement ng mga ganitong klaseng advocacy. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat sa buong Letran student community sa pag-participate sa ating elections. Alam naman natin na sobrang mahalaga nung pag-exercise natin ng pagboto dahil sa pamamagitan nito ay naipapakita natin yung pakikialam sa mga ganitong klaseng proseso na in turn ay makaka-apekto rin naman at makakatulong sa kabuuang experiences natin dito sa kolehiyo. Kaya, ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo. At para sa panghuling mensahe, ang masasabi ko lang ay the LSC next year will be in good hands.
Hi, I am Cody Nicole A. Cabacang, third-year BS Psychology student and now elected as the President of the Letran Student Council. Very overwhelmed sa votings, but at the same time, really grateful syempre sa appreciation and sa trust ng mga RSOs and ng mga student representatives natin. And of course, sa results ng nomination, binake sure ko rin talaga na nagkaroon ako ng preparation dahil syempre, no, I want to make their votes worth it naman kahit sandali lang yung panahon na nakalaan for preparations. Of course, number one is planning and familiarizing with kumbaga sa student council. Although I'm already part of the student council, syempre mas gusto ko maging familiar sa trabaho ng isang president. And alam ko naman na matutulungan ako ng mga outgoing officers na meron tayo ngayon. At at the same time, syempre preparation na rin para sa mga upcoming projects, upcoming events, and yung mga platforms na nais kong i-establish. My message for the upcoming school year, I hope na samahan nyo ako na mas pagtibayin natin ng student representation And I hope na makita natin ang pagkakaisa, hindi lang pagkakaisa, pero ang suporta ng bawat Letranista. Ang lahat naman ng mga plataforma na ilalatag namin para sa inyo ay para sa inyo rin. No? So hindi naman ito magiging, kumbaga, it would be useless if not for your support and participation. So let's try to empower student representation in our institution.
My name is Jermila Laiga Cansancio, a fourth-year marketing management student and currently president of the Letran Student Council 2023-2024. So my experience po as the president of the LSC, it was totally hard kasi nagsimula kami bilang mga elected, which is 9 lang kami nung una. Then naging 13 nung naging appointed na yung mga part ng executive committee. And 42 officers na kami as a whole nung nag-start ng buong academic year. So, it was a roller coaster ride kasi it was hard for us to address student concerns, knowing na halos lahat sa amin is bago. So, it was hard for us na makapag-adjust sa mga projects na LSC, sa mga collaborations namin with the RSO. But overall naman, it was a fun experience. We have built a camaraderie, a good relationship, a good bond, not only sa mga LSC officers, but also mismo sa Letran community. I would like to thank the RSO CPAG presidents for having a collaboration with the Letran Student Council sa mga projects, sa mga events na ginawa ni LSC together with the departments sa mga Letran administrators and sa Letran community. Salamat po sa pagtitiwala po sa amin Letran Student Council, and now that I'm a fourth year, graduating na po ako. Kaya nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga bumoto sa akin, sa mga nagtiwala at sa buong Letran Student Council.
With 52% voter turnouts, lower than the previous elections with 71% student participation, the Letran Commissions on Election, headed by Chairperson Benj Almendras, aim to amplify the Letran community's involvement in the future campaigns following the success of the 2024 special elections.
I am Benj from third year AB Polsci, and I am the chairman of this year's COMELEC. We were really eager to communicate with the RSO presidents, primarily because nung implementation phase, the way we call it, ng elections, a lot of things happened. Number one is cancellation of classes, on-site classes, and of course yung mga pagbabago rin sa approvals din ng school, because there are a lot of changes actually. There are certain offices that we have encountered na hawak na nila yung ibang processes kung paano namin i-acquire yung material, so we have to consider that. But overall, it's really through the RSO and CPAG presidents where we find comfort, no, and at least support in promoting the elections to smoothly go down sa mga kapwa natin Letranista. Actually, one of the things that we have considered prior pa nung special elections is to really have the abstention option to be removed from the election portal. But thinking about the right of the students to vote but not choose anyone from the candidates, we have opted to remain it, no? But we're thinking about of actually removing it. Ngayon, na nakita natin na yung mga estudyante ay bumaba yung voter turnout sa special elections, we find it significant na yung COMELEC sana, just like what I have mentioned in the past interview, to be integrated sa simula pa lang ng school year. Kasi it's important for this commission to not only produce candidates and lead them, but actually to be in collaboration or in how do I say it? Not in collaboration, pero in connection with the LSC in upholding student empowerment to participate in elections. Kanina lang, prior to the proclamation, we're talking about it in providing a proposal to the council. Actually, it started last year when we started just talking, no, and not formally introducing it. Pero what we really want is to have the commission, yun nga, pag nagsimula yung council, sana kasabay yung COMELEC, because kapag ginawa natin yun, ang nakikita namin, at least people in the commission, is mas magkakaroon ng opportunity yung students na maramdaman na may nag-uphold ng student empowerment in terms of voting sa kolehiyo. And not merely just being activated para lang maghanap ng kandidato at mag-facilitate ng elections. Because COMELEC is more than just being a commission for the candidates. It's also a commission for the student community.
Right after the proclamation, students openly remarked on how the special elections turned out to be a good thing, offering Letranites a broader perspective on the Colegio's platform of student leadership.
I think yung most important is, first is may vision siya. Dapat kaya niyang ma-streamline, ma-outline yung mga ideals ng, of course, ng ating Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Manila, and of course, yung ideals then for our student body. Second, most importantly to, hindi lang dapat vision, but also with action. No, meron siyang enough credibility, credentials, and also capacities and resources para magampanan yung vision niya. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na magkakaroon ng special elections. Like, I'm actually in shock. But at the same time, I think we're kind of like blessed in this kind of direction kasi yung two candidates naman for this special elections presidentiables are very okay. They have good lines of credentials and resources as well. Siguro ibalik natin doon sa yung nagkaroon ng special election. Siguro more on leadership empowerment for our students na, call for leadership, especially amongst the youth tayo. Kasi, ayun, mahirap na nagkakaroon tayo ng discrepancies sa ganitong bagay.
Actually po, medyo medyo parang na-astonish po kasi parang as someone po na nasa accountancy program po, I think in our program po, madami pong dapat i-address po regarding to our program system. So naman po kapag nasa accountancy po, hirap po ng aming course, and I think yung character mo ng isang president po is dapat na-hear po yung aming mga problems and concerns po. Yun lang po.
Completing the LSC's Executive Committee for the next school year, the newly elected president will be set to appoint other positions and placeholders in the council to further serve the Letran community. This has been Sofia Pacheco, your Lance News correspondent, reminding you to stay in the know.